Welcome, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. I am Anvada Gupta going to start GK class for Standard 6, Unit 1, The Living Planet. I repeat, this is GK class for Standard 6, Unit 1, The Living Planet. This unit consists 8 exercises. Let's start with the exercise 1, Myth Buster. Myth is a word which means rumors. Some facts about animal kingdom which are probably believed may only misguide us. Let's learn true facts about some animals which are given below. To correct our information, let's start with the ostrich. Ostrich buries its head in sand when threatened. The ostrich dig holes in the dirt to use as nest for their eggs. Several times a day, a bird puts their head in the hole and turns the eggs. They at times also eat dirt to increase digestion. Next, about frog. Touching a frog or toad will give you a warts. Many frogs and toads have bumps on their skin that looks like warts, but warts are caused by human virus, not frogs or toads. Next myth is about elephant. An elephant is the only animal that cannot jump. No, it is not true. Yes, it is true that adult elephants cannot jump, but there are also other animals, mammals that cannot do so, like sloth, hippo, rhinos, etc. Next myth about the owl. Owls are the smartest birds which can move their heads at 360 degrees. No. Crows are much smarter than any other birds. Also, an owl can move its head to a maximum of 270 degrees. Yes, next myth about bull. Red color makes a bull angry. No. It is not a color, but rather than the movement of the red calf waved by the matador bullfighter that makes the bull so angry. Next myth is for penguin. Penguins fall backward when they look up at aeroplanes. No, it is not true. Penguins are perfectly balanced themselves even if they are watching aeroplanes. However, low flying aircraft can cause them panic and make them leave their nests. Next is about the shark. Sharks can smell blood from a mile away. No. Sharks cannot smell blood from a distance of a mile. Next is for rabbits. Bunnies love carrots. No. Rabbits are the founder of green and leafy things than carrot. This is popularized by the cartoon character Bugs Bunny. Yes, here is one more info for you. Contrary to human belief, birds do not reject their babies if touched by a human? No. In fact, birds do not have a great sense of smell. Exercise 2. Fish farm. Here are more than 32,000 extant species of fish on earth. This diverse species has a lot of color and shape. Attention, have a look on them. First, coelacanth is the oldest animal species in the world. Whale shark is the largest fish in the world. Beluga is the largest freshwater fish. Bristle mouth is the most abundant fish in the world. Devil's hole pupfish is the rarest fish in the world. Herring is the most widely eaten fish in the world. Stonefish are the most venomous fish in the world. Mud skipper is an amphibious fish that can live outside water too. Isn't it amazing? Lamprey together with hagfish is the most primitive form of fish living today. Don't forget to learn info nuggets. Fish make up about half of all known vertebrate species. Fish have been on earth for more than 500 million years. Exercise 3. Insects of the world. Let's learn some more interesting information about insects in this exercise. Queen termite is the longest lived insect. Giant vita is the world's largest insect. Fairy flies are the smallest insects in the world. Ants are the most abundant insects on earth. Harvesters are the most poisonous insects in the world. Butterflies taste with their feet. Moths can smell each other from miles away. Dung beetle is the world's strongest insect. Let's learn one more information about insects. Total weight of all the termites of the world is more than the total weight of all the humans of the world. Exercise 4. Strange facts about animals. Here are many extraordinary facts about ordinary animals that we remain unaware of. Let's have a look on them. First, we start with elephant. Elephants walk on the tip of their toes because the rear part of their foot is boneless and fatty. Next is bat. A bat is a mammal. It is able to fly in the air. It cannot walk on land. It rests in the head down posture by hanging on to. Next is panda. The panda has an additional thumb which supports it in grasping bamboo stems between its paws. Next, about climbing perch. The climbing perch is a strange fish. It walks on land in search of water when its water hole dries up. Next, extraordinary fact about bee. Bees and humans are different in detecting colors. We cannot detect ultraviolet light, whereas bees can easily detect it. We are able to see red color, whereas bees are not sensitive to it. Next, about hippopotamus. When a hippopotamus swims underwater, its nostrils and ears close automatically. Last, extraordinary fact about queen termite. Queen termite lives in Australia. It lays her eggs in a large mud castle which is defended by soldier termites. Tons of mud is gathered by the termites for building this tower. This tower may be 6 meter in height and 30 meter in width. Exercise 5, Animal Fear. There are many unknowing facts about different animals. Let's have a look on them. We start with a cow. Cow can give far more milk than a human can consume in his lifespan. Almost 2 lakh glasses full of milk. Next, apart from humans, even chimpanzees can learn to recognize their own image in a mirror. Did you know about the zebra? Then tell the next one. Is a zebra black with the white strips or white with the black strips? Well, it is black with the white strips. Next, we learn about the lion. A lion's roar is so loud that it can be heard up to a distance of 5 miles. In a Asiatic species of elephants, only the males have tusks. The tusk will weigh over 200 pounds. There are over 70,000 types of spiders spinning their webs in the world. Did you know about the housefly? The life of housefly is only 15 days. A dog was the first animal to go up in space. Next, about an ostrich. An ostrich is the fastest flightless bird and can run up to the speed of 70 km per hour. Next, about a camel. Never get a camel angry, for it will split at you. So angry. There are crabs that are the size of a pea. These crabs are called pea crabs. Exercise 6, Slithering Stunner. Now we check our knowledge of reptiles. Let's check the following statements are true or false. Reptiles are unique creatures because of dry scales covering their bodies. Yes, it is true. The largest living lizard is the Komodo dragon. Yes, it is also correct. Reptiles are warm-blooded creatures. No, it is false. Reptiles are cold-blooded creatures. Next, snakes do not have ears. Yes, it is true. Turtles are found in Antarctica. No, it's false. Chameleons have tongues longer than their bodies. Yes, it's true. Reptiles do not have gills. They breathe through their lungs. Yes, this is also true. Dinosaurs were reptiles. Yes, this is also true. One more information for you related to lizards. Only two kinds of lizards in the world are venomous. First, Gila monster from United States, and second one, Mexican bearded lizard from Mexico. Students, now pause the video and try to identify these reptiles. If you are not able to do so, then take your elder's help. Exercise 7, Peculiar Plants. Let's learn some interesting thing of the peculiar plants. A poisonous tree that is used for making red poison. Yes, that is coriander. Next, a flower that is found in Kodaikanal, blooming once in every 12 years. Yes, that is Kuranji. A plant that grows most rapidly. Yes, that is bamboo. A parasitic plant that is Rafflesia. A prickly plant that can survive in dry places. Yes, you are correct. Cactus. A plant that catches and digests insects. That is Venus flytrap. A plant that provides us wood which is used for making cricket bats. Any guess? Yes, that is willow. Exercise 8, plants we use. There are many useful plants which produce their share of beneficial products. Let's think. Whenever we fall sick, first we try home remedies. Remedies are possible because of these useful plants. Let's learn some of them. Let's start with the first. The leaves of this plant have antiseptic properties that helps in healing cuts and wounds. Yes, that is neem. This plant improves blood circulation and helps in relief sore throats. Yes, that is ginger. Next is, it helps to reduce cholesterol, high blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Yes, that is garlic. It improves the appetite and lessens joint pains and helps in digestion. Yes, that is coriander. Oil extract from the leaves of this tree is rubbed on the chest to relieve cough and colds, and it is also used for preparing antibiotics. That is, yes, eucalyptus. The leaves of this plant help in reducing temperatures during fever and relieve itching from insect bites. Yes, that is tulsi. It improves the functioning of the liver and heart and also helps in reducing stomach ache. Yes, that is turmeric. It helps in curing burns and joint pains. Yes, that is aloe vera. Oil extracted from the buds of this tree is used as a herbal medicine, that is clove. This herb is taken to get relief from cold, flu and digestive problems. Yes, that is cinnamon. Cooking oil is extracted from the seed of this plant. Yes, that is mustard. Oil taken from the pods of this plant is used to flavor milkshake and ice cream. Yes, that is vanilla. Let's update yourself. Now pause the video, note down the following current affairs and try to find out answers of them. As you all are not having your book for learning, so note down all the exercises in one notebook and learn them. Thanks for attending class. Stay home, stay safe. We will meet soon in our school premises. Bye bye.